Good morning, Kindergarten Rock Stars. Let's take a look at our morning message. Here we go. Good morning, Kindergarten Rock Stars. Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. What is the beginning sound for these words? All right, so I'm going to say the word, and then we need to come up with what the beginning sound is. Okay, here's the first one. Tricycle, tricycle. T, t. Did you hear it? T is the beginning sound. Muscle, muscle. Is the beginning sound. Sister, sister. S is the beginning sound. It's the first sound you say. Okay, last one. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. T, t, t is the beginning sound. Great job, boys and girls. Now we're going to put these sounds together to make a word. All right, let me bring that up just a little bit. All right, I'm going to push them up for all the sounds, and then we're going to blend it together to make a word. You ready? Here we go. K, a, t, cat, cat. All right, good job. Let's do this one. At, mat, mat. Okay, let's do this one. Let's blend this one. Bat, bat. And that's our last one. Fat, fat, fat. Good job, boys and girls. What do you notice about cat, mat, bat, and fat? They rhyme. They sound the same in the middle and the end. Let me see here if I can get a highlighter. So right here, see, they have the at here, and at here. So they sound the same in the middle and the end. Wonderful job. All right, let's keep going. Now what we need to do is, what is the missing number? All right, so I have some numbers in order here, but I'm missing important numbers, so you need to help me. All right, so we go 1. What should go here? Yeah, 2. Oh, let's see if I can bring it up. There, I'll make the 2 and I'll put it up. Good job, 2. Okay, let's keep going. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we'll make the 5 here. It'll let me, oh yeah, so I got to put it up there. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you say 8? 8 is correct, so we'll put it right up there. Good job, boys and girls. You filled in the blanks. All right, and the very last part, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Wonderful, boys and girls. Let's take a look. You remember our letters of the week are M, S, S, and A. Very good. All right, let's count a little higher today. Let's count to 40. All right. You guys ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good job. All right, let's count down, starting at 10. Let me get my little arrow. I want you guys to help me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Good job, boys and girls. Okay, let's keep going. All right, we're going to make another pattern today. We're making an ABC pattern. So I'm going to do Pilgrim, or excuse me, Native American, Pilgrim, Scarecrow. I'll do people today. Native American, Pilgrim, Scarecrow. Do you see my pattern? Okay, I'm just repeating it over and over. Native American, Pilgrim, Scarecrow. Good job. That's my ABC pattern. All right, take a look at this kindergarten word, boys and girls. What is it? Orange. Very good. Keep going. Gray, red, blue, the, am, at. Great job, you guys. Keep practicing those all the time. On Monday, we will send a packet of different materials for you for the week. And in that packet, you'll have sight words. And these are some of those sight words that you'll be practicing. So there'll be cards in there that you can practice all the time. All right, let's take a look at our activities on Seesaw today. All right, we're working on that letter P, okay? And remember, there's 5 pages to this, all right? So make sure you do all 5 pages before you push that check mark, all right? Where you're gonna have to practice making it, finding it, and so make sure you do all that. I have a few people that have done the first page and the second page, and then they send it to me. So make sure you do all 5 pages. This is our math today, and this is kind of what we've been working on already. So, and there's 10 pages to this. So what you need to do is they have 2 different amounts, so 2 different groups. So you'll need to count them, okay? So for example, for this one, I counted the green pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have to put the number in there, okay? Then I have to count the pink pencils, 1, 2, 3, and I put that there. And then I have to find out and circle the one that's greater, the group that shows a greater amount. Well, as you can see, the green pencils are more. 4 is greater than 3. And they put this number line on each page to help you see that. Okay, so do all 10 pages and then send it to Mrs. Cool. Okay, push the check mark. All right, and then we're going to do this S page. So it's a little bit different. So what you're going to do is do your best tracing. So you know when you trace, you have to take your time to do your best work. Okay, so you're going to trace here. Then you're going to make the letter S. Okay, you're going to practice it. Make sure it's your best work. Okay, boys and girls, make sure. And then you're going to circle the S. You're going to find them and circle them. There's lowercase and capitals. And then the last picture, this is a picture, or excuse me, the last square, not picture. You need to draw something that begins with the S sound. And we did a lot yesterday. We had so many different things like sandwich, sock. So think of something that begins with a S sound, all right? Then on the next page, because we have one more seesaw activity, you're going to do the same thing with the letter M. So again, you're going to trace. Remember, take your time, do your best work. Then you're going to make the letter M. You're going to I spy it, and then draw something that begins with the letter M. For example, monkey, map. We had a mitten. Those are all great things that you can come up with. Maybe you'll have something completely different that we hadn't even thought of. That would be great. All right, then on our videos today, we have a Pete the Cat 1 through 10 puzzle sheet. So there's a video on Seesaw that will explain how to do that. So I want you to get your paper out of your green folder and do the same thing. Again, your best work, boys and girls, okay? And then I'm going to put a song on because we need you to know all your numbers 1 through 31 with just looking at them. And so this song is about the teen numbers, and it's kind of a fun song. So I'm going to put that on Seesaw as well, all right? Again, I'm going to have you guys do free choice iPad. So maybe you want to do Starfall, Maybe you want to do Imagine Learning, or maybe you want to do Writing Wizard, okay? You pick which one is going to work and be the one that you want to do today, all right? Wonderful. Let's see. Otherwise, that is everything. Feel free to give me a call. You guys have been doing such a good job with that. Or message me on Seesaw if you have any questions. And also please message me. I know you guys did about some links, and some of the links on the Veterans Day reading room didn't work, and I'll see if I can get those fixed and send those back to you guys. But if anything doesn't work, let me know, because I want to make sure it works for you guys. And if not, maybe I can get it fixed or find someone who can help me fix it. All right. Well, boys and girls, have a fabulous day, and we'll see ya. Have a great day.